Guys, we have a problem. Hooked up the washing machine, got it off Facebook Marketplace, and everything on it ran fine, all the functions. Then when it got to high spin, it started making this horrible noise. Pretty sure you can hear them bearings. So we're gonna be changing out the bearings. Bearings are bad. And that's bad news, because today I was supposed to be putting together this 110 Spacemaker dryer and get the laundry room complete. And these are a few tools I'm planning on using. Check if there's any water left in here. Just try to drain as much out as you can. I'm gonna pop this cover off with a flat tip. And while we're in the front of the machine, remove these screws. 3 of them. 2 screws for the top cover. And then kind of hit it backwards. See, this back cover's pretty smashed. Now we don't want anything attached to the tub, so we gotta move out everything attached to it. Should be loose. Leave your screws in the tub. 19mm or 3/4 would fit. You see, the reason you have to do that is this is free spinning. You can see one of the bearings right here. You're not going to be able to get to it until you dissect the whole machine. It doesn't even look that bad. Might be the inside one. I do want to see if I can knock it out a little bit right now. Oh yeah, so it's pretty free floating. Saw it go in. That's a good sign. This panel did not remove like a regular panel. I had to pull this forward, and then it kept getting stuck. I had to put the screwdriver in here and break this clip. That clip. I'm gonna get this clip from behind. Oh, got it. Pull this wire back in. The weights are 13mm. Rear shocks on this machine are 10mm. You can get this by hand. Probably just gonna leave this connected. Screw back in. 10mm. She is hanging. $16, 10mm to split the tub apart. And this is where the seal goes. You see you got rust on this side. It means water's getting in and probably rusted the bearing out. You see this washer's in really new shape. I don't know how the seal went out. Probably from overloading weight. All right, before we go too far, we're gonna make sure the seal is about the same size, inside and out. And bearing is completely apart. All right, we're gonna attempt to knock out the back bearing first. Oh man, hopefully it comes out good. Because bearing 1 got destroyed, but it's out. Oh, what if it's gonna fit like this? I don't know, it's kind of in a way where it's gonna mess it up. The metal's barely sticking out. Moving. Very slowly. I don't even ruin this one that bad. Alright, I'll leave a link to these in the description. See, one's bigger, one's smaller, and it was a kit. 2 bearings and a seal. Big one's gonna go inside the tub. And it doesn't matter which way you put them, they're exactly 50-50. I don't wanna drop it in yet. I'm gonna put a very light coat of WD-40 on it. Next, I cleaned it a little bit. See if this old bearing can help us get it in there straight. And remember, we're just trying to hit the outside of this bearing without hitting the inside. If you hit the inside, it's going to transfer energy into the part that spins. So make sure you stay on the outside. Just make sure this is really smooth. There's some leftover metal right where the bearing goes. I'm just going to barely knock it down. All right, feeling pretty good with that. So I'm at the point, you see where the seal goes? And the bearing actually fits just where the bearing goes. When I was hammering it, the sound changed where it was solid. And you want to make sure the bearing's under the seal lip. Seal goes in this way. This is where the seal's gonna go. Make sure this is really clean and smooth. This is where the bearing was. You can kind of see a little bit of roughness on there, but it's pretty smooth. So we're gonna do no sandpaper down here. It's about as rough as you wanna go. Green scrub pad. Gonna put a little drop of Dawn soap on it. Right on the tub seal. All right, let's hope she fits smoothly. That's nice and quiet. That's what we're looking for. All right, now it's changing out the bearings and the tub seal on the Samsung washer. If you want to hang out for the next part, I'm going to put it back together. Make sure you don't forget any steps.